Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to update Capcut on Android. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open Google Play Store on your device. Then on the search bar at the top of this interface, type in Capcut. If your app is missing out any updates, then you will get update button where I have opened. So tap on update button next to Capcut to start the update process. The Play Store will download and install the latest version of app for you. And now wait for the update to finish. Depending upon your internet connection speed and the size of the update, which may take a few moments to complete. For that, make sure that you have stable internet connection throughout the process. Once the update is finished, you can simply open the Capcut from your home screen or app drawer and start using the latest version of Capcut application. And that's it, you have successfully updated Capcut on your Android device. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.